Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Teachable account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove an API key from your Teachable school? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to block an API key in your Teachable school anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you were working with an agency that was setting up automation through your Teachable, maybe you decide to cut ties and you don't want them to pull data from your Teachable school. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Teachable dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Teachable account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and delete an API key in Teachable, here on the left side, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. All right, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to click here, API keys. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all the API keys you've set up in Teachable. You can see I just have these two. So go ahead and choose the one you would like to delete. So for example, this one right here on the top, and you just want to click on the three dots. Once you do that, go ahead and click on revoke key. Okay, next you're going to get this warning, revoke API key. Revoking this API key will make it obsolete. This way, no one can retrieve data through your Teachable account with this particular API. So any kind of automations that was set up with this API are no longer going to work unless you come back in here and set it up once again. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on revoke key. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes and you can see this pop up that the key was revoked. And now you can see that API key has now been deleted. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove an API key in your Teachable account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.